We are going to make gluten-free masala jawar roti. Let's begin with our recipe. I've taken half cup of cucumber, onions, and this is a green chili, garlic and jeera paste, and some coriander, fresh coriander. Here I have taken 2 cups of jawar. I will add into I'm adding this cucumber. Here I am adding haldi, some red chili powder, garlic and green chili paste, onions, half a teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt according to your taste, cucumber, freshly roughly chopped fresh coriander. Now we'll mix all this ingredients, and this is some water I've taken, but as we need we'll take that water. Give it a nice mix. I'm adding some water as I need, a little, not all the water. This masala roti is gluten free and it is good for health, and even the children, they will eat it easily. If you want, you can add half a cup of rice flour also. Here our dough is ready. It is this consistency. See, it's like this. So now we'll rest it for 15-20 minutes aside. We'll start making our roti. Here I have kept the pan to heat it, and here I have a damp cotton cloth, and I'm going to start making the roti like this. You have to take, I've taken so much, and just wet your hands. I've wetted my hands with the water bit, and just make it a flat chapati type. And now I'm going to take water, wet my hands and just tap it lightly. I'm wetting my hands like this, fingers, and just tapping it like this. See, just like this, you have to just tap it on a damp cloth. Make it like a roti. Spread it evenly with your fingers. If you feel it is sticking, you can just wet your hands with the water like this and keep spreading evenly. Here our roti is ready. Now we'll put it on the pan. We'll flip it on the pan. This is how you flip it, and just make holes over there and remove the cloth. Leave a bit of oil from a side or ghee, whatever you want, and keep the flame low and just cover it from up. On the low flame, we'll just keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. By the time it's heating, I'll make another roti and show you again. Dipping my fingers in the water and just tap it lightly, evenly, all over. Keep spreading it like this, evenly. Here I am putting some oil. See, you can see from up it is almost cooked, and just flip it. Put some oil or ghee, whatever you need. I have flipped it. You can see it is almost ready. Now we'll just serve it hot. So here our gluten-free roti is ready, jawar roti, masala jawar roti, and I have served it with dahi and chutney. You can also eat it with buttermilk, whatever you like. So friends, do try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my video.